Hello class, this is teacher Carol, and today we are going to use this PowerPoint presentation and this video to review some of the topics that we have studied during the last months. All you have to do is to follow me throughout the video and answer the questions. I'm also going to provide you with the correct answers or possible answers so you can double check if what you said or you selected was the correct option. Let's begin. What is your favorite season? Winter, spring, summer, or fall? So, for example, my favorite season is summer. What's your favorite season? What is your least favorite season? This is the season that you don't like that much. So my least favorite season is winter. What is your least favorite season? Now, what's the weather like in your hometown? Your hometown is where your home is located. So it may be sunny, rainy, windy, cloudy, or partly cloudy. In my case, it is partly cloudy. What's the weather like on the picture? Correct, it is sunny. Now, what's the weather like on this picture? Correct, it is snowy. Now, I'm going to read 3 sentences. Each sentence belongs to one of the pictures. So you have to guess the order in which I mention each of the sentences. Okay? Ooh, this is a very windy day. I am scared. Martha and Marcus are going to school, and it is rainy. My father is going to work. It is really snowy outside. Yes, the correct one was number 3, number 2, and number 1. In this order. Now I'm going to read this paragraph. You can follow me and also read it along with me so you can practice the pronunciation of these sentences. Last December, my daughter went to Barcelona Hotel for a day. She went there with her friends from high school. She had a lot of fun. The weather was sunny and a little bit windy. First, she swam at the beach and at the big pool. Then she played beach volleyball and soccer with her friends. Next, she went to a restaurant and ate seafood, pasta, and delicious desserts. Finally, on her way back, she visited her Uncle Giovanni, who lives near the hotel. She was so happy and really enjoyed the trip. It says that she had a lot of fun. Did she have a lot of fun? Yes or no? Correct. Yes, she had a lot of fun. My daughter went to Barcelona Hotel for a day. Based on this sentence, answer, where did my daughter go for a day? Yes, she went to Barcelona Hotel. She swam at the beach and at the big pool. Based on the sentence, answer, where did she swim? Yes, she swam at the beach and at the big pool. She went to a restaurant and ate seafood, pasta, and delicious desserts. What did she eat at the restaurant? She ate seafood, pasta, and delicious desserts. She visited her uncle, Giovanni, who lives near the hotel. Who did she visit? She visited her uncle, Giovanni. Now I'm going to talk about a trip that you will be having next year. And I will talk about what you will need to wear for this trip. You are going to Chicago and you will need some clothing items. So all you have to do is to pay attention to me and point out at the clothing items that I mentioned, okay? Next year, you are invited to Chicago. All you have to wear is a pair of jeans, a t-shirt, and a cardigan. A pair of jeans, a t-shirt, and a cardigan. A pair of jeans. Correct. A t-shirt and a cardigan. Okay, class. This was all for today. I hope you liked this class. And remember that you can visit the video as many times as you want and double check the answers and practice over and over. Have a great day.